Hey, what's going on everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to get Clickbank sales in 2020, guys. This absolutely works in 2020. I'm going to show you exactly my method and the correct method on how to start a Clickbank online affiliate marketing business. If you are new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so I've done a few videos about Clickbank in the past and you guys are really liking them, okay? Now this video is going to be like the best way to do it in my opinion as far as creating a business. I've done videos in the past on how you can do it free, but this video is going to be more about like how you should be doing it. This is like to actually have a business, okay? This method works completely if you do it step by step, okay? So let me show you. Okay, the first thing is you have to create an account, right? So if you go to clickbank.com right here, you can create an account. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, I'll get to that in a little bit, but it's basically a network of affiliate programs that you can promote, or it's a network of products, digital products that you can promote, okay? And there's different things like health products, business products, stocks, anything, pretty much anything on the internet. Anything that can be put in a digital course or a software, you can get it from Clickbank, okay? So that being said, the first thing you do is you got to create an account, okay? Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is as far as like what's the point of this, it's basically we're doing affiliate marketing, okay? With affiliate marketing, we're promoting other people's products. And with that, it's really cool because you don't have to worry about the support. You don't have to worry about creating your own product. You don't have to worry about none of that, okay? So, you know, if you don't know what Clickbank is, I just want to give you a quick overview. But let's go ahead and get started. So you want to create an account here. That's very easy. So once you create an account, you just enter the basic information, and then you enter your bank account, and then that's where your checks are going to go to. Okay, you can either get a check or a bank account straight to your bank. Okay, all right. So the next step is to get your affiliate link. Okay, so if we go here. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the marketplace here, okay? And then you're going to pick a product that you want to promote, okay? Now, there's a bunch of different products in here. There's a product in here that I want to show you specifically. It's actually one of the best products that's converting right now. It's at the top here. So I'm just going to promote that, okay? You can see here you just need like one sale every 2 days to make that $100 per day, okay? So that's the goal, is I want to get you to where you're making $100 a day, okay? And I'm going to show you step by step, guys. I'm going to show you everything, okay? So in here, this is a great product. This is actually from Clickbank. They actually show people how to start a Clickbank business pretty much. So this is a really good product. You can see here the gravity is high. What that means is people are actually getting sales with this product, okay? And it's a little bit higher ticket, which is good. That means you're going to make more money with this product, whereas some products are like 20, 30 bucks, you're not going to make as much money, okay? So if we go to promote here, we're going to grab a link, okay? And there's a wrong way to do this and there's a right way, okay? I'm going to show you the right way and then the wrong way right here, okay? The wrong way is, okay, so you put your nickname here, which is when you create your account, you're going to have a nickname. You're going to generate hop link. Now, this link right here, okay? This link is tracked back to you. So if someone were to click this link and buy this course, then you're going to get paid, okay? So here's the wrong way to do it. The wrong way is grabbing this link and spamming it all over Facebook, YouTube. I see it all the time, guys. It doesn't work. It will never work, and it's not even building a business. You're just spamming the links everywhere. So that being said, I'm going to show you the correct way to actually promote this product. I'm going to show you how to get the traffic. I'm going to show you everything, okay? But we have the link, okay? So we have the link here, but now I'm going to show you the next step, which is getting the affiliate resources, okay? So I'm going to just keep this here for now. So to get the affiliate resources, there should be an affiliate page, okay? Now this should be pretty much on any of the products that you're going to promote, okay? So if we click this here, we're going to go to the JV page, which is pretty much a page for the affiliates, okay? So this page is dedicated for you guys to help you promote it, okay? So if we look here, you can first see how much money you're going to make. You're going to make $47 per month, and then you can potentially make here, $500, 50% of $600 actually, and then there's a bunch of downsells and upsells that this program has. Okay, so you can make a ton of money, if people were to buy everything in this program. Okay, what I like about this is it's monthly recurring revenue, which is nice because you get paid every single month, right? Okay, so that's how much you get paid. And if we go down here, let me see here. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so there should be a page where it has all the resources. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna add, let me try this here. I think, let's see here. So there should be a page where it has emails and stuff like that. So let me just, maybe it's after this. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they want you to put your information. So let me just see if you need your information. Okay, here we go. So yeah, you need to put your information in here on this product specifically. Okay, so now, okay, this is what I want to get to. Okay, so now we have the email swipes. So you can be sending, they literally give you the emails to send to the product. Okay, so all this is in here, and you can see here they have like, let me see here. They have a ton of tools for you guys to sell it. Okay, they have keywords in here. These are the keywords that's selling. We won't go into that too much. We have banner ads. We have ton of things, guys. There's a ton of things that you can use. Okay. Okay. So and then we have lead magnets, which is a part of what I'm going to be showing you. Okay. So that being said, the next goal is to get our link and start sending traffic to it, right? Well, that's what most people do. That's the wrong way to do it, okay? Now, I'm not even talking about spamming. I'm just talking about people are sending traffic directly to this link, okay? The problem with that is you're not collecting your own leads. As an affiliate marketer, you have your own business. You need to start creating leads, okay? And that is literally the most powerful thing about affiliate marketing. If you can build a list, let's just say you build a list of 10,000 people, okay? An email list. You can send an email anytime you want to those 10,000 people, and a certain percentage of them are going to buy the products that you promote, okay? So that being said, you need to create a list, okay? Instead of sending people directly to this link, you need to create an email list. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So this is cool because it gives you a lead magnet. Basically, you can give this book for free, okay? So that being said, we're gonna use a lead magnet page, okay, or opt-in page. This is the next step here, okay? So we create our account, we got the link, okay, we got the affiliate resource page, which is this page here. The next step, the fourth step, is to create the opt-in page, okay? And I'm gonna actually give this to you guys absolutely free, okay? So this is a simple opt-in page that you can use here, okay? So this is a page that I'm going to link. So I'm going to link all the resources in the links below. Okay. I'm going to give you guys everything you need to make this work. Okay. So this is the opt-in page here. Okay. Now you can go in here. I'm going to give this to you for free using a software called Clickfunnels. If you haven't heard of it, it's super easy to use, guys. I have videos on how to use this. I have a free course on Clickfunnels as well. I'm assuming that you know how to use it, so I'm not going to go too much into this, but very easy. I'm going to go edit page here, and let's create a simple opt-in page. I want to show you how easy this is, okay? So you're literally going to get this for free from me, okay? And you can start using this if you want to promote this product, or you can use a different product. That's fine, okay? So you can see here that, you know, it has some text here. So we're going to be giving this book away for free, okay? So the point of this is we're giving the book away for free, and then once people get the book, then we're going to try to sell the actual product, okay? So this is called a lead magnet. We're giving someone a free thing or a free book. That way we can build rapport with them, okay? So that's the thing. Like, we want to be able to, you know, start creating that trust with our customers, okay? So very, very important in creating your online business, okay? Instead of sending people directly to this link, we're sending them a free book first, okay? All right, so we go here, and let's literally just say that, okay? So let's just put free ebook download. You can change this up how you want, but I'm just gonna make it super simple, guys. Okay, so 7 steps to turn your passion. Seven steps to, what was that again? To turn your passion what was that? Into an online business, okay? Online business, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, you know, you can make this, you know, you can bold this if you'd like. I mean, you can do whatever you want with here. So you can change the colors, really easy. I'm not going to go too much into the aesthetics of that, but it's very simple, guys. And then with this here, you're going to collect an email. Okay, so right here, it's going to come up with a pop-up. So it'll show this pop-up here, and you're going to have all this. Okay, now what I like to do is I actually like to have an email straight on here. So I'm just going to put, let me see here. I like to put the actual email address straight on here. Okay, that's just what I like to do. But you know, you're going to get the link. You can do whatever you want here. But as far as that, okay, so once you get their email address, okay, the next thing to do is add your link, right? So now you can go here and you can go to general, okay? And now this is where you put your link, okay? So this is where you add your Clickbank link. So if we go here, we copy this link and we literally put it in here, okay? So what we're doing here, okay, on this page is we're grabbing an email, okay? We're grabbing an email, we're putting that into our autoresponder, and then it's going to the sales page, or we're giving them that free book or whatever you're doing, right? So that's the goal, guys, is figuring out how to like build leads and build rapport with people, okay? So that's basically what you have to do here, okay? Is set up that opt-in page. Now, here's the thing, okay? Most people are not going to buy when they first go to your page, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make it work, okay? And I'm going to get to the traffic part of it. I know you guys are thinking, well, how am I going to get people to here? I'm going to show you that, okay? All right, so as far as the leads, so I'm using a software called GetResponse. You can see here that you know, I have pretty much a ton of leads here with a bunch of different lists here. This list has like 1,200. This list has 2,100. But what I want to show you is the goal of this is, okay, so someone opts in, okay, someone enters their email and then go to the sales page, right? Most people are not going to buy there. So what you need to do is create an email sequence like as long as you can, and we're throwing them back to the sales page, okay? And when doing that, you're creating your business, you're creating your leads, but you're taking them back to your offer, okay? Now, what most people do wrong, like I said, is they just send them here, and these aren't your leads. This is this company's leads, okay? As an affiliate marketer, you have to build your own business, okay? So if we go back here, I want to show you an example, okay? This is one email sequence I have. It's literally 44 days of emails. I'm blasting them, okay? And I'm not just blasting them with like spammy emails. Like a lot of this is like going back to my my YouTube videos, stuff like that. But don't worry about that too much. What I want to show you here is if we go back to the JV page, there should be an email sequence here that we can use. So you can literally send out these emails, okay? You literally copy and paste these and then obviously add your affiliate link within here, okay? So for example, you know, this email right here, you would literally copy and paste it, and then you add your name here, and then right here. So click here to find out the crazy secret. So right here is where you add this link here, okay? Now remember, we want to, at this point, they're already on our email list, so we don't have to send them to this page here, okay? We don't have to send them to this page because they're already on our email list, okay? So that being said, now what you got to do is, now we send them straight to the sales page. Now you can send them straight to this page, okay? Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me know if it doesn't. I know it gets a little confusing, but that's basically the goal of this, okay? So what we want to do is create a bunch of emails that you can send out, okay? As you can see here, I have over 44 emails that I'm sending. Now, that might be too much. That might be too little. I like to send as many emails. To me, if someone's going to unsubscribe, I don't want them as a customer anyways. That's fine, okay? That's okay. Now, that being said, I'm not going to show you how to actually create it and integrate it with Clickfunnels and all that stuff. I'm going to link that below. I have a video on how to create a funnel and how to create an email sequence in under 20 minutes. I don't want to add that in this video. I want to show you the basic strategy of Clickbank, okay? That being said, I will link that in the description below along with the free Clickfunnels, okay? I'm going to give you all the resources that you need, okay? All right, so that being said, the last thing here is to get traffic, okay? Last thing here, okay? So there's a place that you can get traffic from people that already have very large email list, okay? So there's a website called Udemy. I'm going to link this below as well. You can see here that I've bought, you know, just in the past, you know, today's January 26th, I've bought, you know, a ton of traffic from people because I'm trying to build my email list, okay? So you can see I'm actually using a lot of people. I use a lot of different people just because, you know, I like to test out other people, stuff like that, okay? Anyway, so to find people, you go to find sellers, and then from here, you can find people that are selling their email list. Okay, so you can literally buy traffic from these people. So this guy here I've actually used, he's really good. So he has a list of 200,000 people. So basically you can say, hey, you know, send me 500 people, or let's send me 200 people. That's going to cost you $99. Okay. Now that being said, this page right here, when they get to this page, that's the page they're getting to. Typically this page, gets around a 40% opt-in, actually more like a 50%. It's a really simple opt-in page. So if it is 50%, let's just say 200 people visit, 50% enter their email. That means you've built a list of 100 people, which is amazing. That's really, really good, guys. Okay, building your list is key in this business. Okay. Now the thing here, let me just show you real quick. They're going to ask, where do you want to send your traffic? Okay, so right here is where you add the link. Okay, so if we go back here to our Clickfunnels page, remember we're not sending them to this link here, although you can, but that's going to be a waste of money. I mean, not quite. You're still probably going to make some sales, but what you want to do here is send them to this link here. Okay, this link goes to this page. Okay, so you go back here, and we add our email or our link here. Now he's going to send you 200 visitors to this link. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You can see here that, you know, you can kind of read about him, see how, you know, a lot of these guys are doing, like, they have really good reviews. He has like over 2,000 reviews with like 2 negatives. Like, that's really, really good. Okay. So you can see here, you can look look into like who you're buying from. But I mean, that's the thing is, like, you do your research, but most of the people on here are pretty good. I've used a lot of these people here, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. But literally just get out there, guys. Start getting out there and start building your business, okay? Start building your email list, okay? All right, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the strategy. I'm gonna leave a link to all the resources. So I'm gonna give you, like I said, the funnel. I'm gonna give you guys the training on how to build the funnel and the email sequence. If you don't know how to do that, like I said, that's a whole video in itself. And I'm going to leave a link to this website here. If you buy through my link, then I think you get $5 for free. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, guys. Reach out to me on my Facebook group, on my Instagram, anything like that, guys. I try to comment back to everyone that leaves a comment. So let me know if you have any questions, and you guys have a blessed day.